Welcome to our channel where we explore the best ways to manage and maximize your credit card rewards efficiently. If you've been wondering why your credit card rewards haven't posted yet, you're not alone. Many cardholders face this issue, but the good news is it's often fixable with a few straightforward steps. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to identify the problem and get your rewards back on track. First, it's important to understand that rewards don't always post instantly. Depending on your issuer, there can be a delay of anywhere from a few days to several weeks after making a qualifying purchase. Check your credit card's terms and conditions or rewards program details to see the typical posting timeline. If the expected time has passed, the next step is to verify your purchase qualifies for rewards. Sometimes certain transactions like bill payments, balance transfers, or foreign currency purchases don't earn rewards. Review your card's rewards policy carefully to confirm eligibility. After confirming eligibility and timeframe, review your monthly statements or your online account activity. Look out for any discrepancies in transaction records or pending transactions, since rewards usually post after transactions are fully processed. If everything appears right but rewards still haven't posted, contact your card issuer's customer service. Have your account details and transaction information handy. Ask specifically about the rewards program and why points or cashback haven't appeared. Sometimes it's a system error that can be corrected quickly. Additionally, check if there are any recent updates or changes to your card's rewards program that may affect posting times or qualification. You can also inquire if your account is in good standing, since overdue payments or account issues might freeze reward accrual. In some cases, making sure your contact information and email preferences with the issuer are updated can help, as you may be missing important notifications about your rewards. Patience is key, but proactive follow-up is equally important. Keep a log of your communications with customer service, including dates, names, and outcomes, in case you need to escalate the issue. If your rewards are still not posting despite your efforts, consider filing a formal complaint with your card issuer or reaching out to consumer financial protection agencies. Remember, regularly monitoring your credit card account and rewards balances can prevent surprises and help you quickly spot any problems. Following these steps can save you time and make sure you get the credit card rewards you deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful money management tips and guides.